Roger John Squeeze time. Today we're getting into a holler favorite. Now you know my nickname's Coca-Cola Boba, and one thing that I'm going to do here is actually I'm going to make some Coca-Cola candied bacon. My nickname's Coca-Cola Boba the Holler, and one of my treats that I'm going to do today is Coca-Cola candied bacon. Come on over and let's get started. Now we got to make the sauce that we're going to make. To do that, we're going to need about 7.5 ounces of Coca-Cola. We're going to put that in last. A half cup brown sugar. A teaspoon of cinnamon. A teaspoon of garlic powder. And then about a half teaspoon of chili powder. I guess you can put more in if you want spicier. Get you a regular spoon. Go ahead and pour in the Coca-Cola. It's going to fizz up a little bit. Go ahead and mix that around. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to go get the bacon. You can really kind of use any bacon on this. And to really give this bacon the best flavor, what I'm do is I'm going to taking the whole pound of bacon here. Just putting it in there. We're going to get it good and mixed around there. You can see here, this is just aluminum foil I put down. I know the missus and I have a roasting sheet, and you can get one of those roasting sheets and you can let a lot of the fat from the bacon drip down on there. Well, I couldn't find it, so I did some Cletus engineering here. And I just kind of put these down so that way the bacon will kind of sit on top there. I know it won't get all the fat off of it, but ideally, move you over here. Ideally, we take the bacon here. You see how it goes all across there? Now you want to put them on here, like close together, but not overlapping. Now, since this is thinner cut bacon, it's probably only going to take about a half an hour. You can use thicker cut bacon, especially if you got one of those big roasting pans. You get some of that real thick cut bacon. And you can even let it kind of marinate in the Coca-Cola stuff. Oh, that's going to be real good. What I did here is I just got some of this, and then looks like we're about ready to get in the oven. And then now in the oven for about half an hour since I got thinner cut bacon. Like I said, I know the missus and I have a roasting pan. I just can't find it. Now, because I got thinner bacon, you gotta make sure you watch it, because bacon will burn, especially sugary bacon like this. So at about that's about 24 minutes. And as you can see here, my Cletus ingenuity kind of worked. But you can see it, the grease is in here, because we want to make sure that the grease is taken away from the actual bacon, and then let the bacon kind of cook and get, kind of candied. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I always like to hear what your favorite way to make bacon is. Candied bacon, any kind of bacon. But of course, you have to do a taste test now. We got a piece of it. Maybe it still could have cooked for like another minute or two. Let's say this is really good. Because it, it's just enough that it gets that kind of candy taste, but it's not overly sweet. If you get those candied bacons that they're just so sweet that it's just, I don't know, it's too much. Not, at least for me, it's too much when it's overly sweet bacon. For this, it gives it kind of a little bit of that Coca-Cola brown sugar flavor, but also so keeps the bacon. Maybe could have done, a few more minutes on it maybe, or try different things. But tell me in the comments down below what you'd like to do. And definitely, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.